What did you have for me?
I have this. I have this.
For a cat?
I don't know. Let's see what this is.
Okay. Bye-bye.
You do this, I'll do this. Okay? Yes. See, that's a hand.
Yeah.
A fist.
A fish. What is this?
You tell me.
Fish.
Yeah.
Put the hand. We choose this. Somebody. Who's that? Who's that? Let me see who's that. What is this?
Now you have to complete this.
Okay.
Okay.
I took this. This will go inside the hand.
This is an arm.
This is his hand.
Yeah. One of this is missing. Were you playing with it yesterday?
Yeah,
Where is it?
I played that yesterday.
Go find it.
Oh, did I? All the pieces. I found another hand. I'll put here in the seat inside his leg. Look at his leg. His leg is stuck.
Take it out.
It is stuck. Ta-da! Okay.
Let's fix his hand.
That is me. You want to put his elbow?
Shoulder. And
Put it. It's all done. We need another one. We need another one.
it's all done.
Yeah. I want the wood one too. Thank you, Dada.